Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Respected Dr. Khasrul Islam sir, the director of Ajmal Foundation and chief guest of today's program. It is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Our youth icon, Mr. Gaurav Bora, Miss Anamika Bora, Miss Assam, also the ambassador of this program, Mr. Anupam Rohit, the project head of Recovery Wellness Society, my colleagues from Ajmal Foundation, and the principals of Ajmal Group of Institution, Dr. Akas Ali and Dr. Ashish Shah, the project head of Ajmal Super 40, Sir Abdul Qadir, esteemed faculties, and my dear students of Ajmal Group of Institutions. By now, I believe that enough has been spoken on the subject, and after this video, nothing is left to explain. But since I have given the responsibility to come and stand on the dais, so I have to do my part justice with this. So, in that regard, I'd just like to highlight that you see, brain is the most important organ of our body. Okay, the central nervous system. And this central nervous system, the brain, after using these substances, there is a chemical called dopamine which is released. Of course, that is required for normal functioning of your physiology. But when the balance is either on this side or that side, if it is disbalanced, then it becomes a disaster. And your brain, once the dopamine is released, excessive dopamine is released because of the utilization of these substances, what has been mentioned by various speakers, this dopamine, the brain become a habit, it becomes habituated with the release of that particular dopamine in that particular quantity to become hyperactive or inactive, the either way, when it is disbalanced and the person starts behaving abnormal. And when the person's behaving abnormal, gradually in the initial stage, it gives you a sense of euphoric sense like you are the king, you are enjoying it, and gradually become habituated. And a day comes when you lose control on yourself and you becomes addicted to this particular thing. When we were students, we used to just as a part of used to talk with your friends, we used to say drinks, D-R-I-N-K-S, drinks, D. When you take the first pack, you start dancing, D with drinks. Drinks ka D se dance. Then second pack when you take, you become a bit romantic, DR. Okay? Third pack when you start taking, you become idiot. You don't know what you are doing. Okay? Then N becomes nonsense. Okay, and K stands for king, like moi roja. Moi roja khaibo. So this is a joke like things we used to say, but then it is exactly the same. First pack or first substance which you use, you don't feel much about it. But gradually when you become victim of this, you lose control on yourself, and a point comes when you really need sympathy that the boy was looking help, seeking help. Yes, you don't have to punish them. We have to support. That's very correct. But then in the initial phases, I'll stand a bit different. Like in the initial phases when we come to know that our son, our brother, or someone is in the process of getting into it, if we can give a check at that particular point, I think much of the battle will be won before it is. Now, the condition is after 3 CR population of Assam, around 20.4 lakhs are victims, of which 3.3 are women victims. This is not a very small figure. Huzai is going to be a red zone. It is in the verge of like that. And it's because of this gateway of Nagaland and Manipur through which, from the Golden Triangle, that things are migrated. So we are in much danger zone. So from this, take on, see, most of you are students, most of you are in the adolescent age. Your friends, whenever you find someone is doing something wrong, take the help of the most comfortable person with whom you have you are comfortable to share the things. Your teachers could be the one, your friends could be the one, someone's brother could be the one who really can guide you and get your friends out of such traps. And if you find someone else who are really requiring recovery stage is there, rehabilitation is required, then this recovery wellness center is there, society is there. They can be asked for giving the help. I think Anupam Rohit sir will be the right person to contact. And I don't think, say, two examples I'd like to quote from my own side. मुझे इतना ये नहीं था कि ये इल्म नहीं था कि in Dhubri area there is something called tablet, use of a particular thing which they call this tablet. तो हम लोग वहाँ गए थे एक बार, हमारा MP साहब का जो सेकंड फ्लोर में उनका रूम है, वहाँ बैठ के हम मीटिंग्स करते हैं, अपना फाउंडेशन रिलेटेड जो भी काम वहाँ करते हैं. तो आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन वी आर डूइंग आवर मीटिंग, हमको पता भी नहीं है किस वक्त एक बंदा हमारे रूम में घुसा. वहाँ एक सरफराज करके हमारा एक ऑफिस का स्टाफ है, वो नीचे से उठ के आ रहा था और वो एक बंदे को साथ में लेकर के, साथ में एक बैग देखा, वो मेरा बैग है. हमको ये पता भी नहीं चला कि वो बैग कब वो रूम से निकाल के लेके गया और कब वो लड़का, उसको नीचे हमारा स्टाफ है, उसको समझ में आया कि ये मेरा बैग है, उसको साथ में लेकर के ऊपर लेके आया. उसको लाके एक थप्पड़ भी मारा, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है. बाद में पता चला कि वो टैबलेट लेने वाला वो इज ए ड्रग एडिक्ट. तो उसको मार के भी फायदा नहीं है उस वक्त. अभी हालांकि हाँ, उसको अगर बैग नहीं मिलता तो मेरा एक लॉस हो जाता, वो अलग बात है. लेकिन इन लोगों को क्या होता है कि पैसा का बहुत ज़रूरत होता है. शुरू में तो पैसा थोड़ा बहुत मिल जाता है, जैसे कि बोला, बाद में मसल्स जो आपका फीस होता है, फिर घर का कोई दूसरा काम के लिए जो पैसा होता है वो यूज़ करने लगता है. फिर ग्रेजुअली घर का जो सामान है वो बिक्री करने लगता है. तो इस तरह से एक फैमिली का इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. वी कैन नॉट इमेजिन इवन कितना बड़ा एक मेनास है ये. तो हम लोग अगर अभी नहीं समझेंगे तो प्रोबब्ली विल नॉट बी एबल टू. अभी रिसेंटली 1 महीना की बात है, डायरेक्टर सर को मालूम है, मेरा अपना गाड़ी का ग्लास तोड़ के बैग लेके चला गया. पुलिस के पास गया तो मैं सोचा कोई प्लानिंग होगा, किसी ने कुछ किया कि कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है, कोई ड्रग एडिक्ट होगा, उसको पैसा चाहिए था. हाँ, बैग थोड़ी देर में हमने दूसरे जगह फेंक के चला गया, वो पैसा निकाल के लेके गया. वो ड्रग एडिक्ट है, उसको चाहिए. अभी वो सब्सटेंस नहीं होने से उसका होगा नहीं, तो ही विल बी डूइंग एनीथिंग. So these are the two instances I face. Many of you must have been facing such instances. So हमारा सोसाइटी को क्राइम से फ्री करने के लिए, थेफ्ट से फ्री, because these are not thieves, because their necessity is the mother of invention, you know. That point of time it is required. तो अभी उसको पैसा चाहिए, उसको वो पर्टिकुलर जो मटेरियल है उसको कंज्यूम करने के लिए उसको चाहिए. अभी उसके पास कोई दूसरा उपाय नहीं है. तो ऐसे लोगों के साथ अभी तो सिंपैथी ही करने का बजाय दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है. एज राइटली that we have to support, we do not punish. Okay, so lastly I'd like to conclude that this is the right moment. अभी भी देर नहीं हुआ है, हमको संभल जाना चाहिए. हमारा स्टेट अभी 11th पोजीशन में है among in India as state, डाटा जो बता रहा है. So बोलता है कि आंखें मूंद लेने से खतरा नहीं जाएगा, वो दिन देखना होगा जो देखा नहीं जाएगा. So thank you so much.